We get a lot of questions when it comes to setting up a portable generator for the first time, and even more questions arise when you need to set up your generator to run your home's power needs when the power goes out. Now that you have purchased a DuroMax generator, there's just a few things you need to know to properly start up and maintain your generator. Let's get started.
Hi, what type of gasoline is best for these generators?
The manufacturer recommends ethanol-free, but anything from a regular gas station will work. However, you want to make sure that you are draining the tank between uses and when you store it.
Okay, great, thank you.
All right, so what type of oil should I use in my generator?
You typically want to use full synthetic 10W30, or make sure that you look at the directions in the installation guide on your device.
What happens if I overload the generator?
The circuit breaker on the generator will cut off, and that's about it.
Oh, perfect. So it's safe.
Yes.
Nice.
We get a lot of questions around powering your home with the generator, so let's answer some of them with this quick startup guide for powering your home.
So you want to power your house with a generator. There's a power outage, you've just taken it out of storage, you turn on your battery switch, you flip to select your fuels. Let's look at what else is on here first. Idle control. Idle control is as if you're at a construction site in the middle of nowhere and people aren't using the generator the whole time. When we're powering a house, your AC might come on at any moment, so you want to leave idle control off. After you've turned it on, select your fuels, plug in your 50 amp cord. This goes in here. And one of the most important components of the portable generator system is the twist lock cord, because when this generator's on and this circuit breaker's on, you have power coming out of this cord. It's designed so that it's impossible, nearly impossible, to shock yourself. And this goes in a twist lock on the side of your house, and the rest of the components are in the electric panel. The second critical part to the portable generator setup to keep everybody safe is the inlet plug. Your twist lock goes in, twists, and it's locked in place so it doesn't fall out, and the good connections have a cover to keep them out of the rain.
So this is the quick connect that you're going to be using here from AB3 Power. We're going to go ahead and pull it up, push this in, fully put it in, and then turn on the gas valve. Okay, we also have a quick connect on the other side of the generator. We're going to go ahead and push it in, and we are all ready to go. And from there, we can go ahead and get it started. So whenever you're setting it up, make sure that you're always on natural gas here, and then the step 2, also natural gas on this side. And then we're gonna go ahead and kick it on.
After your generator is started up and warmed up for a few minutes, all you have to do is turn off your main breaker, slide this interlock up, and turn on your generator breaker. Let's see. Now we're running on generator power. Essentially, this is the new main breaker for your panel. And the whole reason for this interlock is that it's impossible for me to turn on the main while the generator breaker's on, and vice versa. When your main is on, you cannot turn on the generator breaker. The whole reason for that is that it prevents you from backfeeding the utility, keeps utility workers and other people that are around you or close by from being shocked by your generator. The last thing you do is turn on the generator. First thing you do when you're going back to utility power is turn off the generator, turn back on utility power, and then go outside and unplug your cords. That's it. Yeah, we've got 2 ACs right here, and we got our portable generator running. We've switched over to generator power, and we're gonna test running both of them at the same time. One of them is a 4-ton with about 79 amps locked rotor current. So when it starts up for 10 milliseconds, this AC is going to suck 80 amps out of that generator that only has a peak of about 40 amps. Don't believe me? Well, I didn't believe it either until I did it like 100 times. But it'll work. And once we get that thing going, this variable speed AC is going to come on very slowly and is going to be able to run at the same time. Looks like, oh, there we go. That little grunt you heard was a tri-fuel portable generator starting up a 80 locked rotor current AC. We've got this first AC running. In just a minute, this variable AC is going to come on and prove without a doubt that it's possible to cool your whole home with a portable generator. Look at that. Portable generator is running. AC is running. I don't know if you can hear it on the audio, but that generator did not make the slightest sound when this variable speed AC came on. And the other AC is already running. So it is possible to run 2 ACs with a portable generator.
We hope we've answered most of your questions about powering your home with a portable generator from DuroMax. Please follow us on social media for more answers to any other questions you may have. Thanks for watching.